What size tankless water heater do I need for 3 bathrooms? For most 3-bathroom homes, you will need a tankless water heater rated around 8 to 9 gallons per minute. Tankless systems are sized based on how much hot water they can produce at once, not how much they store. That means your system has to handle peak usage, like multiple showers running at the same time. If it is undersized, you will notice temperature drops when demand is high. Here in Schertz, Texas, sizing issues are common because online estimates do not reflect real household usage. Factors like how many people live in the home, whether laundry runs during showers, and groundwater temperature all impact performance. Proper sizing before installation makes a big difference. Call A&A Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling today to get your tankless water heater sized correctly for your home.